Welcome to All Mix Models, where we bring you inspiring stories about top Instagram models. Today, we're diving into the incredible journey of Sophie Rain. Get ready, let's jump right in. Sophie Rain, a talented Florida native, has gained widespread recognition through Instagram and TikTok. Her captivating photos and engaging videos have established her as a rising star in the social media world. Sophie's journey to fame began on TikTok, where her dynamic dance routines and relatable lip-sync performances won the hearts of her audience. By blending trendy moves with creative storytelling, she built a dedicated fan base. As her popularity grew, Sophie expanded her presence to Instagram, sharing glimpses of her life, fashion choices, and behind-the-scenes moments. Her genuine and relatable personality quickly made her a standout influencer in the social media space. Now thriving as a model, Instagram star, and influencer, Sophie Rain has achieved an impressive net worth of $43 million, a testament to her hard work and success. Thank you for joining us for this episode of Model Memories, where we explored the fascinating story of Sophie Rain. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more inspiring stories about Instagram's most influential figures. Stay stylish, keep chasing your dreams, and we'll see you in the next episode of Model Memories.